everybody, hope you're doing okay. Welcome back to my channel, Dreaming of Disney 24/7. Hope you're doing okay, and I hope lockdown life is not treating you too badly, and hope you're not too stressed out at the moment. So if you are, sending you all lots of love. So my vlog today is my first unboxing. So I've never done one of these before, so always nice to do something a bit new. Recently, a friend of mine have got their own Disney page called, if you can see it, if it's not too blurry, Sprinkle of Disney, and I will link them below. And obviously they got an Instagram page. So this page, they're friends of mine, they do they sell like raffle tickets for mystery boxes. I know eventually they're going to be start selling mystery boxes further down the line once they can get things sort of up and running. So I entered one of their raffles. They do like random raffles on their Facebook page. You need to be on their Facebook page to do the raffles. So yeah, I think it was £2 a ticket. The boxes were, there was like 4 boxes. Well, originally there was 1 box they were doing, but then the tickets go that quickly. They actually ended up doing 4 different boxes, and I got tickets for the 3rd one. So I got picked out live. It was just like one of those round things that just picks your name at random. I got selected, so I paid, it was £2 a ticket, so I bought 5 tickets, so I spent £10, and I got £60 worth of goodies. So all in here. So they get, because when we worked together as well, they brought it to me at work, so I didn't have to wait for it to be posted. But I've hung on to it till now to open it, even though it's killed me. I didn't really want to be doing any more vlogs on the run up to Christmas. I didn't really have the time. So if I just push this camera back a little bit, probably better for you all anyway. I'm going to now open it and see what's inside. So like I said, £60 worth of goodies, up to the value of £60 worth of goodies. And there's a lounge fly in there, so a lounge fly item of sorts. So I'm going to open it now, see what my £10 has got me. Just for a lounge fly item, £10 is worth every penny. So oh, so all wrapped up. Oh, loads of shredded tissue paper, love it. So if I take all, oh my god, right, okay, so I'm sorry if I just empty the bits and pieces that I've got in here. So in it comes a little thank you card, a little congratulations, we hope you love your box, love Sprinkle of Disney. So that's a really nice little touch. They're fantastic people, and they're, like I said, they're friends of mine. We actually work together, so I know how much effort they put into these boxes. So I can highly recommend that you join their Facebook page. And what else? Oh, something else in it that says thank you. So like I say, I haven't got a clue what's in here, so I'm seeing it for the first. Oh, some sweeties. I'm sure Ollie will end up eating those, because you know that's what kids do. Oh, Disney socks. You can never have too many pairs of Disney socks, so I've had to put my ones I had from my calendar up in the loft, the Christmas ones, because my underwear drawers are just bulging full of just of socks. So got room for those now. I've got, oh, a little Mickey and Minnie little purse. It's got some, I'll just put that up to the camera closer so you can see it. So that's really nice. That's from Primark. Oh, oh, I wanted some of this for ages. Something we all need a lot of at the moment. Hold on. Is it focusing? Hand sanitizer, Disney Princess hand sanitizer. So that will definitely be getting used at the moment. Oh god, this is worth entering that raffle for. Right, so some Disney Princess Fruity Lip Balms. Oh, sorry, a bit blurry again. Yeah. There we go. Again, with the cold weather, these are going to come in very handy. They can go out huge amounts anyway. Oh, oh, what else we got in here? Disney pins. Disney pins. Oh my god. Rapunzel, one of my favourite princesses. It's almost like they're new. Oh, how lovely is that? Oh, Disney Parks collection. Oh, I'm definitely need to start doing a pin collection next time I go back to Disney, because I'm getting quite the collection now. So put that to one side. I've got something else in it, but I'm leaving that to last. So these are, so you can personalise your phone cables or any kind of cable you've got. So that's quite cute to Disneyfy my many cables I've got going on. And lastly, the best bit, obviously I've just double checked nothing else in there. 1 second. Obviously I promised a lounge fly, and didn't they deliver? How amazing. So it's a little wristlet. I think you can attach it to your belt as well, but that is just gorgeous. It's the Make-A-Wish one that Disney brought out last year, which is just incredible. So if you look at the back, it's got, sorry, blurry again. I don't know if that'll focus. No, but anyway, it says Disney Parks Lounge Fly, and so it's got that to put on your wrist, so you can carry it around. Sorry, with fingers and thumbs at the minute. There's a little pocket there to put, I'll probably put my hand sanitizer in there and my lip balm. And then, take the paper wrapping out. Oh god, there's loads in here. Sorry, 1 second. As you can see, I've not opened this because there's that much stuff. So inside, little Sorcerer and Mickey hat. So how amazing is that? So for £10, I think that is pretty good going. So if I just go over everything again quickly. So I've got the little Lounge Fly Make-A-Wish wristlet backpack. I've got my little Disney characters to bling up me cables of sorts. Right. So I've got Disney Princess lip balms. Oh, wrong way around. Mickey and Minnie purse. So again, that might be quite useful for things like my SD cards and stuff when I go when I'm out in vlogging in Disney or anywhere outdoors, which might be for some time yet. My Disney Princess hand sanitizer, of course, will be getting a lot of use. My Disney socks, and of course my Disney Princess pin. So I will link, sorry, still blue, you've seen it anyway. So I will link their page below, their Instagram page, and I don't know if I could link a private Facebook group page, but if not, if you go onto Facebook, just type in Sprinkle of Disney. It's a private group, but obviously if you apply to join, I'm sure that won't be a problem. It would just be, you know, £2 ticket. I know they do other different prices of what you call them, mystery boxes as well. So they do like tickets for £1, but obviously then the price of the box varies. But I know the hard work that goes into the stuff for what they buy, so I know you're guaranteed, if you win, you're guaranteed to get something fantastic. And I know eventually, I think their plan is to start selling mystery boxes. So, like I say, for £2 a ticket, for everything I've got, just for that alone, it's worth spending the £10. Obviously, you've got to be in it to win it. So I can definitely highly recommend them. Fantastic. I know all the stuff they've bought recently, so I know there'll be some definitely good stuff to go in any future boxes I've got coming up. So I think that's about it. So my first ever unboxing. I've been dying to open this for so long, so I can finally get stuck in. I've just hid it under the bed, so what I can't see can't bother me. It's not, I've had to wait till now to open it. But I hope you enjoyed it. I definitely, please go and check them out, because their stuff they got coming up is fantastic, and they're gaining popularity all the time. So I think they're grouped. If I just quickly check my phone, I can't find it under all the stuff now. I think as it stands right now, their members are at 792, so it's definitely, just even before Christmas, it's under 500, so it's progressed massively. So get yourself on there and hopefully win yourself a bargain, fingers crossed. So if you enjoyed this, thumbs up please, always be kind. Subscribe to see what else we've got coming up in the future. Press the notification bell to see what to alert you when things are up online. Yeah, stay safe, just keep, I don't think I've got any words of motivation. I don't really know what to say, because it's trying to motivate myself, let alone anyone else. But just stay safe, and hopefully we can just get through this. And yeah, I don't know what else to say other than that. Just keep going and take care of yourselves, and that's about it. So we'll see you for next week. So bye, see you later.